Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to enable TLS 1.0 and 1.1 security protocols on your Windows 11 computer. A quick info about TLS 1.0 and 1.1 or Transport Layer Security is a widely adopted security protocol designed to facilitate privacy and data security for communications over the internet. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan mo lang i-search dito yung internet option, and then click mo lang tong open. And then next step ay dito lang sa internet properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced, click mo lang ito. And then dito sa advanced, and then dito lang sa settings, scroll down. And then dito lang sa security, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-check itong Use TLS 1.0. So check mo lang itong box. And then Use TLS 1.1, check mo lang itong box. And then next, kailangan mo na click itong apply. And then click mo itong okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin enable ang TLS 1.0 in 1.1 security protocol in Windows 11. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.